Hey everybody, welcome back to another video in my workout room slash junk room at home. The lighting's just good in here on its own with the curtains open. So today I wanted to just do a little demo of my personal favorite product from our line, matte paste. The last time this product was on here, it was probably, I don't know, 4 or 5 years ago, and it was in different packaging, so I just wanted to update the videos. The formula is still the same, but we're still just going to show it off again. This is a heavy dry cream as we describe it. So as you can see in the jar, it's pretty firm, and the product is pretty firm too, so hence the description. But once you've got some, it does break down pretty easily though. And I have clean towel dried hair right now for this. This is pretty much how I use it every single time. So this is personally my favorite way to use it. I do use a hair dryer and a vent brush. After it's in towel dried hair, which is how I recommend to use it. You can use it in dry hair too, but the water helps to kind of activate some of the ingredients, and in my opinion, for how I use it, it's just my favorite way to do it. So you can take your brush, and if you want, just comb your hair back once or twice to make sure all the product is evenly distributed. And then with your blow dryer on hot, we're about to start. I'm just going to literally use the hot air from the blow dryer and the brush to push my hair into the shape that I want it. And in the front, I want to do a whole lot of this motion to basically get the height as tall as I can get it for this video. So here we go. So after it's basically all the way dry from hot, I'm going to go over it again on the cold setting, and it's going to kind of lock everything in place. It's going to go over the same thing that I already did, but on cold. Alright, probably going to call that done. And then after, you can use either the same brush that you used or your fingers or a comb. Kind of depends what style you want to go for. And just, comb it how you want it styled. So for me and what I like lately, I'm actually done now. I won't, for my own personal daily use, go back and put another one over it to get more hold. I actually just kind of like it with less product in my hair, and it feels a little bit more relaxed. But, being inside most of the day, or even going out most of the day, my hair basically will hold. One reason that I can get away with doing one scoop of this product is because it is a very sticky, tacky kind of hold. So using one scoop, I still get my hair to stick together enough to where it stays together. Until in the beginning of the video, when I scooped it out, it's pretty firm. Okay, just for the sake of this video, I'll add another scoop on top of this, which I do feel like is the standard method. I'm just taking the lazy approach to it. It helps when you're applying it if you don't get so much on your palms and kind of try to apply it with your fingertips instead. I feel like it gets less clumped up that way. Just going over it with a wide tooth comb. And you can see with a second scoop and a comb, it's quite a bit tighter looking, and the hair is more stuck together. And if that's what you want, that's what you should do. That's how you should use this product. Like I said, I feel like this is actually the normal way to use it, because this is how most people do it, and this is how I did it for years. I just don't really care that my hair looks looser. I kind of prefer that. So, yeah. So anyway, there's kind of two looks in one. If you have any questions or comments or anything, just leave them below, and we'll try to get back to them.